Assalamualaikum dear listeners, welcome to this channel Translation Studies by Taiba Zahid. The topic of this video is cross cultural communication. So before explaining the cross cultural communication, I want to explain what is communication. So let's start. Yes, dear listeners, communication is a process of transferring information from one person to another person. This communication is based upon several factors. These factors are as linguistic factors, cultural factors, societal factors, as well as contextual factors. So now you are thinking about that what is contextual factor? Yes. Listener, the current situation of your conversation is called as contextual factor, in which context two persons are talking about a certain topic. In the process of communication, the information moves from sender to the receiver. Linguistic factors means that the language of the sender and receivers. Cultural factors means the cultural traditions, norms, values of two societies. Two societies means that the sender and receivers. The cultural values of the sender and receiver may be same or may be different. Next one is the societal factor. Societal factor means the current trends in any society. So all these factors are very essential for the process of a good and successful communication. You know that communication is not possible without these factors. You can communicate to each other on some grounds. These grounds are as your language, your culture, your society, as well as your current situation. So let's move towards the cross cultural communication. Cross cultural communication occurs when people from different cultures or from different linguistic backgrounds communicate to each other. Cross cultural communication plays a crucial role in this globalized world. Cross cultural communication may be needed for business purposes, for technological purposes. We can't live in the isolation. We Here the word "we" means any nation. Any nation, you can say that even she is a highest ranked nation in the world, can't live in isolation. Every nations need to communicate or bring or manage a solid relationships with other nations to develop the new ways of progress. Linguistic and cultural barriers resist the cross cultural communication. So we have to remove the linguistic and cultural barriers in the process of cross cultural communication. Here, in such a critical or in such a sensitive issue of cross cultural communication, the translators play a important role. Translators act as a bridge among the two cultures or among the two nations or among the two languages to remove these barriers. Translators provide the proper sequences, different softwares, different techniques, different strategies, different rules for the proper communication. The best language for cross cultural communication is English language. English language gains the status of lingua franca. Lingua franca means a language of the world which is used for the global communication. So English language is a highly ranked language all over the world. So this is a cross cultural communication. My video is end. Allah Hafiz.